In Medrash Rabbah and Koheles, the Medrash says that when a person is born, his hands are closed, his fists are closed. However, when he dies, his hands are open. When a person is born, his hands are closed as if it's all mine. I want to accumulate as much as I can, but when a person leaves the world, his hands are open to show, I didn't take anything from this world. You don't take anything from this world. The only thing you take is mitzvos, ma'asim tovim, good deeds. It's a tzedakah that you give. Where is this alluded to in the Pasha? Pasha Sayah, the Pasuk says, if there will be a needy person, one of your brothers needs help. Says the Torah, lo yisikmot says yodcha. Don't close your hand. The following Pasuk says, Ki patoach tiftach. Open your hand. Give him. Says the Yad Yosef. When the Torah says, Lo tikmot says yadcha, don't close your hand, it basically is warning you. Don't close your hand from giving him, because ultimately, Ki patoach tiftach, when you're going to die, ultimately you're going to open your hands, and this will show that you didn't take anything with you. So why do you have to close your hands down and keep everything to yourself? The only thing you will take from this world, if you want to take something from here, it's to give. To give tzedakah. With that merit, you go upstairs. With that merit, you actually leave the world. It's yours. You will leave the world when it's in your hands as if. Anything else stays here. Don't close your hand, because ultimately, you're going to have to open it. Ki patoach tiftach.